I just went snorkeling, and for some reason I had the most romantic idea in my head. I would see a stingray, I would have my GoPro on me, I would be in the water, and I would be able to capture it, and it would just be right next to me, and I would have the most perfect picture and video of a stingray. But reality is that stingrays don't do what you tell them to do. They're wild animals and they're extremely fast, so there's no way that I can see a stingray and then quickly go into the water with my GoPro and it will still be there. I've never seen a stingray stop. They're not domesticated like they are in the zoo. I think zoos have stingrays. So I'm gonna give up on that and just enjoy them when I see them. I see a stingray almost every day, and they're so elegant. They just glide through the water extremely fast. They're like birds in the water. That makes sense. I really don't know if you can see it, but there are some fish that come back every day. And this is a blue greenish fish. There are 2 of them and they're here every day. So I guess this was it for my morning snorkeling session. I'm gonna take a real shower right now and wash my hair. And after that, I'm gonna try and check if I can get my nails done. I'm not sure if I need an appointment to get them done. My nails really grow fast, see? So I'm gonna have them remove the nail polish and maybe put on new nail polish and definitely cut my nails. And after that, I'm going to the one and only gift shop that this island has and do some damage as far as that's possible, because all they sell is sun tanning lotion for about $30 a bottle. Cards, fridge magnets are about $10 per fridge fridge magnets are about $10. Sun tanning lotion is about $30. A simple bag of potato chips is about $5. So I'm gonna do some serious damage by buying just a couple of stuff, and after that I'm gonna come back to the villa and relax until it's time for lunch. It's a plan. This is actually the first time that this place is empty. It's the 24/7 sports bar, and this is the activity screen. You can select your language and what kind of information you want, the date, and then it will show you here what you can do today or any day for that matters. It took me a while to figure out that it was here. I was wondering how people knew that there was bingo and beach volleyball, stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead, not go to the room, but take a left here and go to my little private spot of paradise. Just got back to a clean room, which makes me so happy. We have another, I don't know what it is. I really think it has something to do with diving, but I don't get the bunny ears. Whatever the case, or maybe it's somebody who's jet skiing. That could be it. And then these are not ears, but water just gushing over the person. Whatever the case is, it's beautiful and I appreciate it. But I'm also going to use the towel because we go through so many towels, mostly to just use around the pool, and they dry up pretty fast. But we do use a lot of towels each and every day.